Good morning, good afternoon or good evening. Today you're going to be working on Adobe Lightroom with Steve Galloway. It's a really good program. I can remember when I first started working with it way back. It must have been, I don't know, 12, 13 years ago, something like that. I used to get really confused as to where the images were going to, because I thought they was actually being physically imported into the program rather than a database of changes that you was making to the actual original items and the original images not being changed in any way. So I was really confused. I mean, I came from a background where we was printing images. So digital technology was just on the forefront 20 odd years ago, and I did get into it quite quickly, and I've enjoyed using it. But yeah, there was like the printing side of the filming and stuff like that I was so used to. So I used to having a physical copy all the time, so it did confuse me slightly as to what was happening to the images at the time. But you soon get used to it and find out how it works and stuff like that. I love Lightroom. I do all my editing in Adobe Lightroom. I very rarely use Photoshop. It's not a program that I indulge myself in. It's Lightroom is the program that I use. So crack on with it, have a good time, see what you can learn. I'm sure there's going to be people in the room who know how to use the program a great deal. It's, you know, we get brought up with these things now, and so, you know, help those who don't know as much as you. See what you can do to help them progress and move on. So crack on with it, enjoy it, and see how you do with it. Yeah, I'm not going to be in today because I'm going to be out filming. I'm going to be doing some more filming on the focal project, showing you some techniques and some photographic skills for how to use different focal lengths, and that's going to be put out as a video for you to watch just as much as when we go to Woollerton Hall and when we do the set building in the studios. So we're going to be going to Woollerton Hall next Thursday, and we're going to be doing the set building on the Friday. And the reason for doing that is Jack Perks has been working with this lad who has his own frogs and lizards and all sorts and stuff like that. So Tom is getting in touch with him, or has been in touch with him, and hopefully he's going to be coming in Friday, so that'll be a good set building session that we'll be doing then. You'll be able to get to work with frogs, lizards and whatever else he'd be bringing in. So that'll be a good day, you know, for us to work on. So yeah, apparently Daniel needs to see these videos in the morning so that he can get motivated to come into university. So hopefully you are motivated, Daniel, and you're up and ready and things are going well for you. So all good on that front of things. Yeah, that's good. Talking of inspiration, motivation, and as such, there's going to be the Royal Photographic Society's Science of the Year competition at the Science Museum, and I think it's running from the 7th of October to, I think it's round about the 5th of January, I think it is. So I think that's going to be an interesting exhibition if you get a chance to go and see it. It's going to be on over your Christmas period when you're on holiday, so pop down to London and have a look at it. It's going to be photographers who aren't necessarily scientists as such, but have got a good, strong, keen interest in the science field. So their images will be on display, and you never know, you might get some inspiration out of it, and it could be a good exhibition. Not as good as the one that we put on this year, but a good exhibition nevertheless. So, okay, so enjoy your day. I'll see you tomorrow. keep happy, keep well, and look after yourself. Bye for now.